Hi, this is Preetha. Welcome back to Dakshin Curry. If you want to see more of my videos, do click on the bell icon to get notifications. During the monsoon season, I kind of shift from coffee to tea. Yeah, I'm a coffee addict, but yeah, I totally love the masala chai recipe that I make, and that's what I'm going to share with you. Stay tuned. I have around 1 cup of water here, and I'm going to allow this to boil. By that time, I'm going to crush some spices. So I'm going to add some cinnamon here, a little bit of cloves, black pepper, and a few cardamom pods. Now I'm going to crush this. Now the spices are crushed. I'm going to add this to the vigorously boiling water. To this I'm also going to add a little bit of ginger, and now we'll allow this to come to a nice vigorous boil for around 30 seconds to 1 minute. So now this has come to a boil. I'm going to add tea leaves. Now I'm using Darjeeling tea here, around a teaspoon. I'm going to add milk. Now milk is according to your liking, the quantity. Now this has been simmering away for a minute. Now I'm going to add sugar as required. And now I'm going to switch off the flame and allow this to infuse for around 30 seconds. So my tea has infused enough. I'm going to pour myself this lovely masala chai. If you have liked watching this recipe, do let me know. Let's have some conversation. I'm looking forward to your feedback and comments. I want to know what is your favorite tea, and if you have liked watching the video like I asked before, do click on the like, share and subscribe button.